Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. That's my number 5492161. All right, so today we're going to be looking at some questions as usual. Let's get right into it. These are some equations, and the first one says y plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 12. What would be the value of y to make that equation true? So let us focus on getting rid of these 3 right here. And to do that, we're going to be multiplying both sides by 3. So it's going to be 12 times 3. So we are left with y plus 2 is equal to 12 times 3, which is 36. And then, of course, we are going to get rid of this plus 2 by subtracting 2 from both sides. So it will be 36 minus the 2. So therefore, y is equal to 34. So the value of y is equal to 34. Let us check. If we have 34 plus 2 divided by 3, that would be 36 over 3. And of course, 36 divided by 3, that works out to 12. So our answer is indeed correct. All right, so the value is 34. Let's move on to the second one. This one is a little bit different. This one says 2x minus 4 plus 10. No, 2x minus 4 is equal to 4x plus 10. So we have an equal sign right here. So what we have to do is to group the like terms. So we're going to bring all the x terms. So this 2x right here and this 4x, we have to bring them together. All right, so it's going to be 2x. However, we must take the inverse. This is positive 4x, so we take the inverse, so it becomes minus 4x. 10 is already on this side, so we're going to take the inverse of this minus 4, which is plus 4. And 2x minus 4x, the 4 is bigger, so this becomes negative 2x. How we subtract, and we keep the sign on the bigger one. And 10 plus 4 would give us 14. So now we'd have to divide by negative 2 to make x stand alone. So x is equal to negative 40, positive 14 divided by negative 2, which work out to negative 7. So the value of x would be negative 7. Let us look at this one. This one involves a bracket. So it's 3 bracket 2x minus 1 is equal to 15. What is the value of x to make that equation true? So let us remove the bracket by multiplying both terms. So we're going to multiply the 2x and the minus 1 by positive 3. So it will be 3 times 2, which is 6x. Negative times a positive, that's negative, and 3 times 1, 3. Here now, we can solve from here because it's a regular linear equation. So we're going to take the opposite of minus 3, which is plus 3. So we add 3 to both sides. 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. And our final step is to take the inverse of times 6, which is divided by 6. So we divide both sides by 6. So therefore, 18 divided by 6 is 3. So the value of x would be 3. Let us check. If we have 3 inside the bracket, let's see if this works out to 15. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. And we multiply 3 times 5, which works out to 15. So that's how you check. No one should be getting the equation wrong when you can plug in the answer and see if it get the correct answer. All right, this one is a bit tricky. It says x minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to x plus 2 over 5. So find the value of x. So what we're going to do is to get rid of the denominator, the 3 and the 5, by cross multiplying. So we're going to multiply this by 5 and multiply this by 3. And then we equate and solve. So let's go 5 times x, that is 5x. 5 times -1 is -5. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2 is 6. Now we can solve by grouping the x terms. So we have 5x on this side, so it would be 5x minus 3x, which is equal to positive 6 and -5. So we take the inverse, which is plus 5. This gives us 2x. 6 and 5, 11. So we divide by 2. So our answer would be 11 divided by 2, which is 5.5. Or if you prefer decimal, 5.5. So either way, this would be the correct answer. All right, so if you need my number to join my class and you're just joining, this is my number, 876-549-2161. It doesn't matter where you are in the Caribbean or the USA, Canada, England, you can join my class, all right, or one-on-one. The next time out, no doubt. I'll see you guys in another video. Big up everybody.